Hello and welcome to Prestige Worldwide. Up for review today, we've got my brand new DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the Essential Combo. I just got this from Amazon this morning and I'm really excited. I already had the GoPro Hero 11 that I've used a lot. It actually has some bug guts on it from where I was wearing it on my motorcycle still. One thing that I don't like about the GoPro is the audio options, the external mic options. But first, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get in the box with the DJI Osmo Action 4.
All right.
All right, so we get a silica gel. Do not eat this. Do not eat. Throw away. Throw it away. Don't eat it. Just throw it away. Good advice, DJI. Thank you. Thank you for that. You know, if China was really out to get us, they would write on here, "Go ahead and eat it." You know, this is food. That's what they would write. I mean, if China honestly was like, you know, out to get us, that's what they would do. Anyways, here is the DJI Action 4. It's got a lens cover on it. That's pretty sharp looking. It's a little bit of a smaller form factor than the GoPro Hero 11, slightly smaller. We got our compartment for the... Okay, so you press this down and slide it, and then you pivot it. So it works a little differently. I'm used to the GoPro by now. And this one, you kind of pull down a lot, and then that's where your battery goes. And on this one, battery goes here, SD card in there. Let's see what we have in the accessories box here. Okay, so it comes with a charging cable. This is USB-C to USB-C. We also have a screw for the fingers, or the mounting bracket, let's just say. And then in here we have our battery. Now this is some sort of max action-packed max battery. Some sort of name for that. Action Extreme battery. What's in the box? What's in the box? I'll put a little meme here. What's in the box? Okay, some of you guys might not remember that movie. I thought it was excellent. The movie's name is Seven. Anyways, Extreme battery, Action Extreme battery ×1. So that's a cool name for it. I got this for $209.99. I thought it was a good deal. One of the reasons I got it was because I just bought a DJI mic. So this is the mic mini. I'm using one right now to film, and then there's the other one. So this one will connect directly to my new Action 4 without a dongle. I don't need the little plug-in receiver. The microphone will communicate directly with the camera, and so I thought that's really what sold me on these DJI products, was the connectivity, the direct connectivity from the microphone to the camera. And then here is a lens cover, and gives you some warnings on that. Camera is not waterproof when used with the lens hood. Okay, so I guess you take this one off. I'm just gonna leave this one on, I think. I'm just gonna leave that one on. Because I do plan on using this camera outside, like hiking and motorcycling. Feel free to check out some of my other videos of hiking and motorcycling. You know, if you want to, you can check them out. I'm still kind of new at this, at the outdoor vlogging stuff. I've been doing tabletop reviews for about almost a year now. And so I'm not gonna go over the features yet. I still need to charge this thing up. I wanted to kind of go over what was in the box and why I like it better. So let's continue to go over. So we've got a quick connect mounting bracket. So this has the little fingers that you screw the thing to, and you clip that to the thing, and it's got magnets, and it's got a quick release or something. So yep, that works good. The GoPro has the little fold down fingers. Now, granted, I like the fold down fingers. They will never fail. I mean, really, the camera, I don't think these will ever fail. Like, if you run into something that's strong enough to break these steel or aluminum, or where the heck they are, then, I mean, you're doing something wrong. But anyways, this Quick Connect is cool. You know, I think DJI wants you to buy some other compatible Quick Connect things so you can sort of, you know, just spend all your money with DJI. But, you know, that's cool, whatever. I mean, it's just money. I want to make good videos. I need good equipment. So, yeah, that's a cool little setup. I mean, it seems secure. The mount seems like it's pretty secure. I was a little worried about that, but there's no wiggle. There's no movement. It's just legit. That's legit. And it's got a magnet as advertised. And it's sort of a quick connect. Yeah, it kind of clicks in there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's see, what else about this do I like? Okay, so I do like how this has a charging port that is not, it's easier to get to the charging port. So the GoPro, you have to open the battery compartment and then plug it in to charge it. On this one, you open up a little compartment that's on the opposite side of the battery, and then there's your charger. And it's kind of waterproof in there. So I do like the fact that you don't have your battery hanging open. The case isn't wide open. I mean, this battery, it doesn't really have like a click to it. It just sort of, whatever. And I don't know why they make these. It just seems like this is like paper, the little pull thing. But whatever, it is what it is. But I do like how the DJI does not have everything in the same compartment, including the charging cable. How you plug the charging cable in over here. I like that better. I don't want to have my camera just wide open. For the most part, I can record off of one battery. I typically don't need more than one battery. With the GoPro, I could get about 30, 40 minutes on a battery. Easy, filming 4K, 30 frames a second in their action mode or whatever, the image stabilization mode. This DJI Action 4 is supposed to do a little bit better in 4K 30 frames a second. I'm guessing it's going to be upwards of maybe an hour. I know in 1080p it'll film for like 110 minutes or something, which is very impressive. Of course, that depends on heat. It depends on, you know, a few other elements that, you know, variables that might factor in. But if I can get 45 minutes to an hour off of this battery filming in 4K 30 frames a second, that's really all I need. I will probably order another battery. And then we also have this case. I know the case has some usability if you want to mount it vertically. If you want to film this way, but for almost all my videos, I'm filming horizontally. I mean, I could get into filming shorts, but if I'm going to film shorts, you know, I could just use my phone for that typically. But you have that option with the case to mount it with the magnetic proprietary Quick Connect. You can mount it this way and film vertically. People that film vertically by default, I generally I don't think that's a great way to film. You know, in my opinion, I like filming landscape instead of portrait, but this does give you the option, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, I'm excited to get this DJI Action 4 out on the trail, out on the road with my motorcycle, and make some great videos for you guys. So stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.